Here are the only 4 brushes you need for eyeshadow and how to use them. First is a tapered blending brush. This isn't completely round. It looks round, but you'll notice the barrel is pinched. This brush is perfect for the transition shade because the pinch shape really gets in the crease and allows you to make those circular motions and deposit that transition shade all throughout the crease without spreading too much product around and overblowing it. I deposit my transition shade and don't worry about blending it with this brush because that brings us to brush number 2. This is your completely round, fluffy blending brush. And this brush never dips into eyeshadow. This is a clean brush that is only there to help you blend. It's gonna blend everything out without spreading too much product around. If you try to blend with the brush you're dipping into the eyeshadow with, next thing you know, it's gonna get everywhere, it's gonna go way too high, and we look like a raccoon. Now we have our detail brush. This little guy is perfect for detail work. I use this to stamp my darker colors on the outside half of my eye, and once I feel like most of the product is off, I'll bring it into the inner crease to add a little bit of darkness and depth. And now you guessed it, we place the shadow, but stop blending with this brush. You're gonna switch back to your first brush that has a little bit of that transition shade on it and use this one to blend out the darker shade. The leftover transition color will actually blend out this darker one so much better. It's a technique called blending color with color. Trying to blend darker shades with a completely clean brush can make the color fade away. But using whatever's left of that transition shade on your very first brush to blend out your darker shade will marry everything together and blend it out like a dream. Now we have the packing brush, which is for the star of the show. This one is perfect for picking up and packing on any color you want to use on the lid. It's dense enough to hold a shadow, but sharp enough to give you clean lines. And then you're also going to use brush number 4 for the lower lash line because of this perfect tapered edge. The only 4 brushes you'll need that won't break the bank to give you a flawless eyeshadow application.